Sanibonani nonke and welcome back to my channel. Today's lesson is especially helpful for parents, learners, and anyone wanting to grow their isiZulu vocabulary. We are learning school subjects in isiZulu. Amagama ezifundo zesikole. Let's learn how to say common school subjects in isiZulu and understand their meaning. In isiZulu, school subjects are called izifundo zesikole. Each subject has a name that often comes from meaning or borrowed words, just like in English. Let's go through them one by one. And please forgive me today. I am not well, so my voice is a bit off, but I promise to give you all the information that you need. Mathematics is izibalo. Izibalo means numbers and calculations. Izibalo. Art is ubuciko. Ubuciko means creativity or skill. Ubuciko. Science is isayensi. This is a borrowed word commonly used in schools. Isayensi. Isayensi. Drama is umdlalo. Umdlalo also means a play or a performance. Umdlalo. Geography is ezezwe. Ezezwe relates to land, places, and the earth. Ezezwe. Ezezwe. Zulu as a subject is called isiZulu. And I think everybody knows this one by now since we are doing isiZulu in this channel. isiZulu. History is umlando, and we also say ezomlando. Umlando means stories or accounts of the past. Umlando. Ezomlando. Afrikaans is isibhunu. Isibhunu. Afrikaans is one of the South African languages, just like English and isiZulu. And officially we have 11 languages. Now let's practice using those words. To say my favorite subject is, we say isifundo engisithandayo yi. Let me give you examples. Isifundo engisithandayo izibalo. Or you could say isifundo engisithandayo isiZulu. If you like history, you would say isifundo engisithandayo ezomlando. Well done for learning with me today. Let me know in the comments ukuthi isiphi isifundo osithandayo. Which subject do you like? Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep teaching our children, and keep isiZulu alive.